Hello friends, today we will talk about the topic infertility. There are two categories of infertility, primary and secondary infertility. Now what is primary infertility? The inability to achieve pregnancy after 12 months of regular unprotected intercourse is termed as primary infertility. And what is secondary infertility? Secondary infertility is where the couple has given birth to a child and then when they are trying to achieve pregnancy for a period of where they are having regular intercourse for a period of 12 months and yet they are not success. Let me explain you what is a normal menstrual cycle. Now this is the uterus, this is a cut section of the uterus. These are the two fallopian tubes and these are the two ovaries. Now in each cycle, let us divide the cycle. If it is a 28-day cycle, let us divide that cycle into three phases. First is the follicular phase, which lasts from day 1 to day 8 of the cycle. Then comes the proliferative phase, which lasts from day 8 to day 18 of the cycle. And the last is the luteal phase. So in the first day 1 to day 8, there is selection of egg that happens from either of the ovaries. Okay, so let us assume the egg is forming from the right. So this egg which starts forming from the right side is selected between day 1 to day 8. After the recruitment of this egg from day 8 to day 18, this egg will start growing in size. Eventually when it reaches the maturity, it ruptures. So the rupture can happen any time from day 8 to day 18 of the cycle. This rupture is called ovulation. Once that has happened, if there is relations or intercourse that happens, the sperms travel from here, it fertilizes that egg and the pregnancy is formed there, which cannot further form here, so it travels in, gets descended, and here in that endometrial lining it starts growing further. It gets implanted and starts growing further. If intercourse does not happen at the time of ovulation, then this egg which has been released from the right ovary, it autolyzes. Further, the endometrial lining which is present, it keeps on growing, and after 10 to 12 days after ovulation, this lining which has formed, it starts shedding. This makes the beginning of the second cycle.